Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how the promotion of an employee can be initiated within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can click on the Quick Actions drop-down and select the Initiate Employee Promotion option. The employee name or ID for whom the promotion is to be initiated can be entered. Once the details are fetched, the reason for action is marked and all the other mandatory details are filled. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, the promotion of the employee can be initiated by clicking on the Initiate Employee Promotion, and it is successfully reflected within the system. Thank you for watching.